हाँ, हेलो, नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Status of today topic is status of Indian education system. Education is very important factor in the economic development of any country. A higher rate of participation of human capital and equality among them lead to higher employment rate. As the employment increase, there will be a rise in production. Also, the standard of living increases by the increasing in income, and income of employment opportunity help to reducing inequalities of wealth. The increment in employment rate and reduction in income inequalities are indicator of economic development. A positive picture of the society can be depicted when the process of human capital formation goes in high directions. All the conventional and orthodox schools throughout get the heredity and hence the rate of participation of work increase the production level. India, India since the early day, the independent has always focused on improving the literacy rate in our country. Even today, the government run many programs to promote primary and higher education in India. India has rich traditions imparting knowledge. The Gurukul was the type of education system in ancient India with Shishya living with the Guru in same house. Nalanda was the oldest university system of education in the world. Students from across the world were attracted to Indian knowledge systems. Many branches of knowledge system had its origin in India. Education was considered a high, high in ancient India. However, modern India failed to capitalize on its initial age due to year of colonial rules, financial constraints, and wrong policies. The British government has introduced modern education in India from 1994. Indian education policy etc. built up a foundation of Indian education system during colonial periods. Pre-independent Indian education value system was catering the colonial masters. Independent Indian education system developed along the lines of value framework. In present time, where there are imminent threat of political ideology hijacking the pedagogy of education and commercialization of education ending value system. Radha Krishnan Committee charted out the value systems of Indian education system. It was Kothari Commission who provided the basic framework of the same. The committee reports paved the way of national education policy in 1968, which provided the base and roadmap for further development in education system in India. Thank you. In the next topic, we will discuss about progress in health in India. Thank you.